Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, and I/O board. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the power button board to the top cover. Lift the power button board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the power button board onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the power button board to the top cover. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the power button board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.